Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how we did our DIY travel going to Zhangye Danxia's Rainbow Mountains. Rainbow Mountains of Danxia is located in Gansu province west of China. But because we are in Lanzhou for a year now, we only need to travel via a bullet train. I told myself I should see the Rainbow Mountains before we leave Lanzhou, or else I will really regret not seeing it, for I don't know when we will be coming back. So from Lanzhou, we need to ride a bullet train going to Xining and then to Zhangye West. This is Lanzhou railway station. We chose a travel which will last up to 4 hours, costing 149 RMB or around 1,050 in Philippine peso conversion. It's time to ride the train now. Enjoy the view, my friends. We'll see you in a bit. So excited to see the Rainbow Mountains. I hope you are too. Bye for now.
The sun is up and I know a place we can go. It's not far away, it's not far at all. See the mountains and hold the clouds in your hand, and we'll dance in the light as if no one's really there. I feel the sun on my skin, the wind in my hair, and I know we're driving but we're going nowhere. So hold me real close and keep me warm. The day has begun and I'm already warm by. I can see the winding roads up ahead. The trees are blurred, colors flood my head. I hear the wandering streams and the song of the birds. Seems like a moment in time I don't want to ever end. And I feel the sun in my skin, the wind in my hair, and I know we're driving but we're going on.